Hey, hopefully got good audio levels here. Trying some new things. Hopefully got a couple people coming to hang out soon. Getting started. been a crazy week. Missed last weekend. Apologize. But there's a lot of crazy shit going on with Twitch right now. I was about ready to what is that? I was trying to get for the affiliate on Twitch, but who knows. And Dexlell's in the house. Hello. What is up, friend? What am I gonna do today, Dex? You got any ideas? I need to start putting better plans, and I keep saying that. Maybe I never will. Kind of fun to wing it. Oh, I was just asking you, man. Just kidding. Anonymous CTF. What is that? I'm not even sure what that is. Is that like an actual like CTF event, or is that like a box or a room somewhere? Oh, hold up. That's not the Google one, is it? It just a... Alright, that's what I'm looking at. This is it? Okay. Yeah, that might be fun. Flag format? Does it include that UTF character, the mouse? Okay. So I need to log in. Yeah? It's all got the... Interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm down for something new. I want to practice a little bit and actually try to participate in some of the CTFs. Did I miss NahamCon? Is that still going? Or is that done? JoJo's, what's up? Welcome back. Yeah, let me actually just sign up for this. Well, let me put it over here. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god, whatever they're rendering is, they're trying to make it all like retro and flickery. Like, that's tripping me the fuck out, man. Alright, just in case, I don't know where this is going to show up. Generate new. Oh shit, well that was easy, huh? It's over today. Nice. Yeah, man, I just never have enough time. Like, those are the kind of things I would love to do, but I want to, like, sink in, like, full effort on it and, like, really try hard. Or just come in late and try the hardest ones at the end, which apparently is what I tried the last couple times. How I turn that off? Alright. Yeah, this flickering thing is wild. It's weird, right? Is it just me? Well, It's just like Anani, whatever, that'll work. Start here. Flag format. This ETF includes some categorized challenges designed for beginners. Follow easy, medium, hard. 2 hints. Realism. Most challenges require combined. Higher level coin. So you get like these coins, points. Cool. We'll include emojis. So this flag is 5. This will not get you more coins. Was just showing the flag can have emojis. You already saw this. If flag... Okay. Okay. So I got 5 coins. Where do I get the next 5 for this beginner thing? I'm missing something here. Will never be the flag, except for right now. Just kidding. You may need this. Right? I know, Tournament. That's what I was saying. The flickering is annoying as hell, right? Like, I wonder if disabling that JS will probably break everything else, though. We could just figure out where it's coming from. That would be our challenge, is to just disable the flicker. So of course it's all going to be minified stuff. Helpers. How do I block it again? Do it from in here. This is just... Well, anybody got... You can probably block this. Yeah, I'm not sure how to... I've never tried to do that. Like, why would you want that effect on your site? Like, yeah, let me please give something to make people have seizures while they look at my site. It's silly. Silly thing to do on purpose. What is it? Is it CSS? Could try loading it with... How many bugs you find in testing from start? Of what? We're just trying to play this. I'm so out of it. I don't even know what to... Is it really going to be a CSS animation? Could be. Yeah. Disabling the JavaScript just killed everything. Where is the CSS? No CSS includes, or am I blind? Here. I don't really need any CSS. I bet if they're doing it with that, turn that on. It is really annoying though, isn't it? Why don't I see any in here? Hope in? Yeah, what? Jump in where? What? Go for it. In penetration testing, I don't actually do a lot of penetration testing. I find a lot of bugs. I do a lot of development. Um, so finding hunting bugs is part of my day job, but more from the blue team like engineer side. So I haven't really done bug hunting or pen testing directly as much yet. I'm looking into more and more of it. You can filter for CSS on the right side of the networks tab, or is there a different place for it? This is freaking hilarious. Can't I just do like super safe mode or something and disable all JavaScript and CSS? See what happens? On the network tab, there's a oh my god, you're right. Look at that. Shut up. I'm not dumb. It's interesting. I guess they're just cached then. Well, if it's CSS, then we can find it here. If there's some crazy, it's only this subblock, right? Jumbo container. Container has some crazy shit on it. No. Oh, because did I search for something? God, I'm so bad at being a user. Yeah, there's still. I think it's because it maybe disable cache. Here we go. Can I not block all of them at once? If it's actually JavaScript and their JavaScript is needed for everything else, that would be frustrating. It is. It must be. Oh my god. Ah. Dudes. It's brutal. I already tried that one. Where's it coming from, me? Whatever. We'll just like read it really quick and then I'll tab over to something else, man. Jesus. I give up. Oh, because I turned off request block. Jesus, dude. I'm horrible at this. Tell me purpose of CTF. Oh, the CTF capture the flag are challenges that are really fun and challenging usually. There's a very wide range. But they're really good practice for people getting into pen testing and cybersecurity, learning about, common misconfigurations and security holes, and also getting into, reversing buffer overflow, cryptography. Those kind of challenges too are really fun. So okay, I had blocking as a whole turned off, so none of those actually worked. God damn it. Now I'm really curious. I don't even want to solve a challenge. I want to find this flicker. Let's just start over with the...
Hello?
Hey, who's that? Hey, what's up? Where'd you go? Challenge board. Still
Oh,
flick.
there we go. Doing the wrong channel.
Your mic is super fucked right now, by the way.
Mine is?
Yeah, it sounds like you're gargling a mermaid's balls. That was a weird way to say that. So, okay, if I block challenges, then they don't load. So that's not it. The core probably isn't it, I would hope. Was it something else? At least we're seeing still flickering. So it's not core. Did I just do core JS or CSS? Man, I'm so out of it. Eye cancer removed. Oh, from when I went to like the version of nothing. Oh man, this is brutal.
Is that better?
Yeah, that sounds better.
Okay. I think it was trying to use my laptop's microphone instead of my headset for
How
some
do
reason.
I find this feature? I should be better at this. Main CSS.
Oh.
There we go. Hey. Hey, that's a little better. Just get rid of all the CSS. Oh. We're just gonna we're gonna load it ghetto style here.
It makes me sweaty.
It is a little bit better in my eyes, even though it looks like 30 years ago.
Yeah, that flashing is kind of difficult.
Oh, I can't even see. Is it white text in there? I just pasted it. I think I got it. Where are my points? Oh, this is so bad. So it just must be bundled in all that main stuff.
Damn.
Where are my blocked ones now? Is it this? Uh-huh.
It's so connected.
But now it's not there anymore. Ah, man. Dark reader. Yeah, I suppose I could just do that. See what happens. Is that, see, yeah, it's just transparent input. Good call. Alright. Oh, look, I think that means I got it, right? Because it's green? Okay, cool.
You was waking up and wake me.
MP3 file? Interesting. Hey, Matthew's in here. Welcome.
Okay.
When did Discord start shortening people's names? Like, I just see F dot 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 and trap is T dot dot dot. Like, but it's showing that everywhere. It's kind of silly. Maybe they messed with something. Is this? Hello, Script Kittens. Professor here with another installment to learn you a lesson. I'm not sure what that is. Decentralized blockchain.
You could probably use like Unicode to ASCII or something.
Yeah, this is all just. I don't think it's a real translation. It's just designed to be. Is there something that'll do that for you?
I mean, I think there are websites which can convert Unicode characters to ASCII.
Just
sure.
like visually. Because it's
I think so, yeah.
I'm curious.
Not sure if
I got
Cybershift
pretty
can-
good at reading that. Yeah, because it's not an actual encoded translation. It's like a visible likeness pick, right? I think. Access it from any browser. A little more effort needed. Centralized websites exist on peer hosting platform. There is no one secret to host your website. No one server. This keeps it out of the hands of troll and greedy and makes it possible for them to regulate buying. Centralized blockchain domain. One-time purchase. Never again have to pay. That would be dirt cheap. Written by much.
Sticker Wheeler here, Sarah here,
You
here,
say that
Rocks
is
not
extension.
Rocks not out, Sticker Wheeler, Simon up here.
Is someone trying to read it? Remember, hacking more just a crime. It's super trait.
Wheeler
Professor X. I don't understand what this is supposed. Like, what is the question or the challenge here? It's just, is it something in
Which challenge is it?
the third, like the actual, like the first real one?
Under Anonymous or?
Yeah. No, sorry, yeah, that was the text-to-speech I downloaded. This is Web 3.
Okay, I see. Let's see. Oh, what the fuck?
It said something about might need a BR. It's causing element to overflow. Yeah, the overflow's in there.
Decentralized website exists on a peer-to-peer hosting platforms. No server to host your website. This keeps it out of the hands of the controlling and greedy. Regulate putting a decentralized blockchain domain. Just cheap.
This is an interesting one, to say at the least. What else did I just download? Cropped forest. What?
Installed browser extension Unstoppable.
Oh, I'm just going to omit that challenge if it requires installing an extension. And skip.
Yeah.
It's so funny that I prefer this shit layout than the other one. That hurt my eyes, man. Is this? There's coding here. Find it. Yeah, this is a little much. Even every other page they link to.
ProtoCTF is like hell. I mean, first they are doing like eye cancer, and then
Yeah, some of the other
challenges
ones
are all
are-
rag.
God, some of the other ones. What was that one we did a couple weeks ago? That was like neon green on like neon yellow, and like it was totally incoherent. I mean, the challenges are kind of cool, but
I mean, who thought this was a good idea?
hire a
really?
designer. I mean, I know we're all nerdy hackers, but you gotta have one designer friend that could help you with this. I don't design my own shit because I design something like this, and then everyone else's would bleed.
Yeah, it sucks. Definitely not ideal.
So this translates to something else. Are they flashing in order? They are.
I think this is possibly like the Morse characters behind the thing you saw.
Yeah, I think the word Morse is showing this by how it's flashing on and off. CyberChef can do Morse code,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. Yeah, this is definitely Morse.
CyberChef does.
Come on. Jesus. Alright, so yeah, it's not the same lettering.
Yeah, okay, then that's another message.
COD? You want to play Call of Duty? Code? Morse code? Cool. Assuming this will be... Okay, so wait, what did that just solve for me? I just got like a word from Morse codes.
Maybe this is super sneaky hint to VS Code or something.
Those aren't, at least they weren't part of this here. Are there? Morse letter, keyframe, flash. Yeah, I don't think. They're all just class names now. Wrap to code. Oh, hey. See, I just need to read the rest of the instructions first. Yay. Is this because I'm getting back. Alright, well, I'll just not stay on this page. I thought we were done with it. Doesn't remember my blocks. What? Don't be looking here. Okay. Sorry. It doesn't do anything when I click on it. Is it supposed to? Oh, is that what it is? What?
Is it hidden behind it?
It's because there's some blur on it. Right? It's just switching
Probably
between
want to
two...
find the JavaScript function which executes this so you can like remove the blur.
Like, I mean, if it's just switching between a picture, can't I just grab...
There's probably a button behind the picture or something. Maybe inspect element?
Yeah, that's where I was. It's like, this is what I'm so bad about with the CTFs. Is like they just point you in a direction. I have no idea what I'm trying to break or solve here. Like, it just click this and then the king. We could try, what is, just gonna download the site.
You can look, I'd say look in the source code maybe. There's a comment in there, it looks like.
Yeah, there's a few. Don't be looking here. Do this other thing. Do this other thing. Blur, filter, blur. Card active has a blur on it. So how do I do active? Is that over here? Nope, nope, nope. Pseudo elements? There's a way to, God, I didn't know how to do this better in Chrome. There's like a dot hover, right? Is it colon hover or dot hover? Or active, sorry. Active. Aha, there it is. That's what I want. Bitch. Well, maybe. Is it just a flag? The king? Like, what's the... That's what I got by looking at the other thing, too. Oh, you think you're clever. Yeah, okay, so we unblurred it to find a card. Is it just... Answer not in flag format? King? What? This link will take you to a card. When it's flipped, it'll be blurry. Can you figure out what it is? King? Like, what? What is the... What are you supposed to do here? I'm so lost, man. Like, the basics of how these events go about, like, asking you to do stuff just makes no sense to me. Cool.
Maybe they mean this copy emoji and then king.
Yeah, you have to do that emoji.
It specifically said answer not in flag format. Does that mean that they do want it in the flag format,
Yeah,
even though they specifically said not to?
I think it...
I'm
No, I think
not
it
a big
means that
fan
you're
of
not
this.
going to find the flag in the format, so you're not going to see the flag in like the actual flag format, but you have to submit it in the correct format. So it's probably king, but with that little mouse in front of it. I'm assuming. It's gotta
Now I'm
be.
getting rate limited. Suck it, suck
I
it, suck
guess
it, suck 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 it, fuck you. Sorry. Like, I'm just so lost, man. Like,
You could get this middle finger emoji and do it in front. Maybe this is the solution.
what else we got here? Crack stuff. Just cut. Like, it just hurts my eyes to look at this. And I spent so much time trying to kill it before. Yeah. Any other ideas? I think I'm about ready to give up and try something else entirely.
No worries.
Skip the challenge and go to web. This challenge just I don't know. I mean, I don't think you can learn something from a challenge, so it's just stupid.
Yeah. I just can't keep looking at this page anymore. I'm curious about what they're asking for here, though. Like, okay, I found the image, I looked at the image is not anything, I mean, is there something hidden in the image? Should I download and stack hide the image? Like,
Yeah, Stackseek or something, maybe.
yeah, that's a deal breaker for me.
But .jpeg probably. I mean, it's often in PNG files if you have Sego.
All you gotta do is inspect the body. Don't forget to expand it all, I say. Is it on JavaScript load or not? Because I downloaded the entire fucking body. have no idea, man. All right. Well, I want to save my CTF energy because I want to actually really try on the Google one. We're starting a team for us. So. I also
The
need
Google one
to take.
probably is a bit harder than this.
Yeah, but it's also probably coherent.
Yeah, that's
I
right.
hope. I mean, if it's not coherent, then I won't do it either. I don't want to play like it's just not worth my energy to try to figure out what they're asking and not actually play the game. You
It's
know?
probably just more fun.
Yeah.
I think the NameCon was like, I don't know, a bit fun, but not that much.
They're
There
all
was
kind of
some
like that these
good-
days. That's because that's part of the thing. You got to figure that out. But there's a line of
Yeah,
what I
sure.
think is worth my time or not. I actually need to take a 5-minute break. Run to the restroom. If you guys have any other ideas of other challenges, other rooms, I have never done a hack the box room properly. Could
Maybe a Windows
try
room
other
on
things.
Hacktobox. I don't know if
That-
there's a new
That
one,
would
but
that would take the rest of the stream. That would be good.
probably.
Yeah,
I mean, no one in the stream has any idea of Windows.
right.
Maybe
Yeah,
Matthew
I,
has,
I
but-
I need to force myself. Matthew and Tiger Bean were helping me before last time I did Windows, so that could be a good option. But yeah, I could run. Take a leak.
There's actually a room called Sniper. I just looked at the Hacktobox rooms.
Oh yeah.
A Windows
Alright.
medium oh, but it's retired. Maybe you need premium for this. I'm not exactly sure.
Oh man, I even got premium from like a reward from one of their CTFs that we win it. No, we got second place. I got something and I got like premium for them and I cashed it in, but then I never actually used it. I should have held on. Should have held on to it. All right, I will be right back.
Crap. Welcome post diet. There we go.
All right. Try something else here. I am curious. I've been putting off like actually figuring out Hack the Box for too long. I've not completed anything on Hack the Box ever, other than their actual events that we tried.
You could actually also play Battlegrounds or something.
Play what?
Battlegrounds on Hack the Box. But
Oh yeah,
I-
that's the 15-minute practice ones are just so fast, man. I did one with Trap forever ago, and I just started losing points. I gotta like understand what they're scoring on like the availability, because even without really playing, I just start losing points. Like no one's done anything.
I also don't know really how this works. I just played like once. Uh, I think I got even in or something. I think that it's just so fast. I don't know.
Well, I'd be curious to try like an actual Hack the Box box. I mean, I don't even know. I got a starting point. Tier 0. This is a strong foundation.
For Linux, I could probably help you, but for other boxes, I
Very
don't
easy.
know.
Maybe I should start with a very easy one just to like learn how their VPN stuff works first.
Oh, very easy means very easy. I probably wouldn't start with a very easy. Maybe
Too easy?
like easy. So like very easy is it
Do I
takes
have to
like
c-
2 minutes or something.
Do I have to go through these tier things? Or is this just
No,
like...
you don't have to. You can
Okay.
just go to machines. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
The starting point is just useless, I think.
Sandworm, interesting. Yeah.
Oh, that challenge, it was just called King of Clubs for that card.
Oh, is the full word King
That
of
was the-
Clubs?
Yeah,
I-
it's just King of Clubs. That was the flag.
Oh wow.
Yeah, should have guessed that, I guess.
Maybe you do topology or something. This looks like it's easy.
Yeah, sure. So, how does it work? I click on this and then...
You just click on it and like press start machine. But first you just need to download your VPN and like
Is
connect
that-
to the config.
Here.
Yeah, just click on it. Yeah, exactly. And now you can start a machine. It
Where's
can be that. So it's probably there are many other people on the machine, and you get to the same machine as they are.
Okay.
You need to download
Where's
machines.
You had all of them.
Where do I get the VPN from? Is that in my
Oh,
profile?
you should press leave machine first because you can't be in a machine and parallel download the VPN.
Okay, good to know.
So if you leave the machine, then you can go to connect it to HTTP, and then download the machine's config.
Connect to play machines. Is this what I... Oh, okay. It's just it's
So
such
just
a
connect
it's
to
such a
HTTP?
it's such an intuitive UI that I have no fucking clue what's happening.
Yeah, exactly. And now our machines. Yeah, exactly. Press on that. Yeah, okay. Now you can just yeah.
Okay.
Rest should be clear, I think. Oh, also, I'm not exactly sure if you can do an Hactorbox machine on stream because I think it's forbidden or something. Not exactly sure how the AGB is, but I thought something like this was. I mean, at least for live machines.
Is
I think
that a
retired
live
machines are
machine?
okay.
Oh, is that a thing? I should make sure I'm
I-
abiding by
I
the
think
rules.
so. I'm not exactly sure.
There's a way to... Okay, I do a retired machine.
Yeah, but if you do a retired machine, then you need VIP.
No public walkthroughs. Yeah, okay. Public walkthroughs allowed. So yeah, I should probably just stick with a retired one if I'm gonna do it on stream to be safe.
If you have your IP, you can do that, yeah.
All right, so let me. Vice, yeah, it was. I think it was a live machine. I'm totally
it
new
is
to
a
Hack
live
the Box.
machine.
Yeah, I'm learning how to do anything here right now. I've looked more at submitting machines to them than actually doing any. That's funny. 2 million. Okay. Is it not? No, I'm not connected. I thought I just did that.
If you have VIP, you probably need to download a different config,
I have.
but maybe it works. I don't know. Just try.
It says I'm connected. I could just refresh maybe. And it,
Oh, you need to.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Obviously, you need to connect to the config in your terminal.
yeah, I'm running it. I'm connected.
Or maybe retired has a different config. Oh yeah, you have to. Yeah, okay. You need to stop the one with seasonal.
What the?
So you have
I didn't
to
start. I
open
never.
the
I never
connection.
started that one. That was like automatic. Did
I
I?
don't
Did
know.
I start that somehow? Well, let's just see if this
Seems
works.
like.
I'm just editing my config. For retired, you need VIP access. So it lets me come in here and join it without VIP access.
I mean, if you don't have VIP, I think it shouldn't let you in, but I mean, there is retired behind
Let's
this
try.
2 million, so I don't know.
2 million. Like, no, it redirected. Okay. So I need to set up my hosts.
You need to add. Yeah, exactly. Your stream is a little bit behind, so I was just confused.
Oh yeah, usually I try to stream both. Live machine forbidden for sure. Okay, good to know. Thank you guys for catching me on that, not letting me get in trouble. Alright, well, that should work here now, huh? Hey, alright, yeah, I mean I'm connected, it's letting me, so I'm retired, hopefully I'm allowed to do this. Right?
I mean, IPSEC is doing retired machines, so I think. I mean, I could look if IPSEC already has a tutorial for this machine. Then you definitely need know that it's allowed.
Yeah, well, it said on the information modal that public write-ups were okay for these and not for the other ones, which I think live and like VODs would be under that category.
Yeah, also IPSEC has a video on it. I just looked up 10 days ago, so seems to be okay.
All right. Well, just gonna port scan. Just okay. So it's just 8022. So then most of what we'll be doing will be against this, and the IP itself just redirected here. Of course, I don't have my hosts shared with my. Damn it. I use Ferox Buster through Docker, which doesn't work when my host entries. Maybe I could learn how to Go Bust or something different. Let's just download the whole fucking thing to start with.
I actually like GoBuster more than Ferrobuster because Ferrobuster is often doing this recursion, and I like if GoBuster just doesn't go deep and just does like the directory I'm asking for, and not like recursive into
Yeah, I
2
just
million directories.
Yeah, I just lazy, and then Ferox Buster does like a lot of stuff out of the box. I need to learn how to actually use these things properly though, with options. This might not be needed, but save it anyway. Robots. Not found. It downloaded robots as a not found file? That's interesting.
I mean, it downloaded robots.text.html, so
Yeah, that's weird. I wonder. It would only find that from a link.
I suggest you really like run
Okay.
GoBuster on it.
Yeah, I need to learn how to do that. Let's do that. GoBuster.
I can tell you how it works. It's
There's
not that
a
hard.
directory medium list. It's usually just picking the right freaking list. I'm just like lazy. 2 million.
Oh,
Hack them
you
out.
don't have a custom list?
I don't use. I don't actually know what I'm doing. You guys think I'm really good at this stuff, but I just like figured out Koth and then.
Okay.
I still have like no clue what I'm doing, especially in the enumeration phase. Like once I get a shell, I'm like at home, but yeah, enumerating
So
and scanning, I'm still a fucking noob.
If you don't even have a word list, you should probably look for sec lists on GitHub. Or no, you
I have all the
there's
word
K-
lists. Like
okay. You,
I
you
have
don't
all
need
the
this. The K option, you don't need this because this is just forcing SSL, and you don't
oh,
need
that's
SSL.
right. Yeah, I did that before.
And yeah, exactly. The rest is seems
Wild
to be fine.
card 301 to force. So what? Is it done? Like it just did everything? I just tried different
Yeah,
lists.
just removed. Yeah, exactly. I don't know what you're doing here, but
Oh,
could you try and just open up the browser and like give some random URL so to see how the 404 looks like? Your version seems to be pretty old, right?
yeah. This is. What's that?
Your version of GoBuster seems to be. Not
Yeah,
good.
that's the other problem is that I'm on like not the Kali version of a lot of these things, and I don't have.
Oh wow, this looks like an Hectorbox page. Nice. Yeah, you can you could like use the size and exclude that. You can do this with minus exclude minus length and then equals to your size you want to exclude, or you can do minus HL to hide the length. At least in WFS.
Hey, are there other tools that are better than this, man? Like I don't even know.
So for directory busting, I would say GoBuster is pretty good.
With
You
dir
can just,
flag, yeah, that would make
Exclude
sense.
length is the one you're looking for.
Is this the same menu as help? It is. Is this different? This looks like it's different than.
I don't know every option, but this doesn't seem to look like what you want to do.
Yeah, I'm curious how different the Kali one is. Oh god.
Wait, I will just fire up
of
my own box and look at it.
F of
I have Black Arch.
GoBuster. Oh, GoBuster then dir.
Yeah, dir and then this shoe.
No idea.
Wait a sec, I will just fire it up for myself.
Yeah, like 99% of all the try hack me, I just do Ferox on the IP and it works. Like it finds everything
Oh.
I'm looking for. How are you doing,
Wait
by
a
the way?
sec,
I'm doing good, thanks.
retouch.
Just U and W. That's
Yeah.
what I had before, but yeah, I think maybe I'm just on an old version. Or a different version. GoBuster not installed on Kali?
I think it is.
Am I spelling it wrong? God, I'm hopeless.
I mean, on Ubuntu or even Debian, like you can just install it with apt install GoBuster.
Yeah,
But I
that's
think it
that's
should
how I
exist.
have it on here. But then and the app repos aren't the same. Like a lot of the versions I have are slightly different. I'm trying to remember the other ones that are not quite the same. FUF. I could look at how to use that one. Is that one I could just? Vice says FF. I like that. I think
You
it's
just
one that I used
need to
before.
do exclude length and then 162.
I don't think the version I have has those options, man.
Okay, wait, then I will run the command for you. Wait, like, should I just stream? Then you can look what I do.
Yeah, sure.
Wait a sec.
So it's a really good start on Hack the Box, guys. I'm learning how to. So it's good for me, I guess. I gotta learn how to do everything.
If I didn't even edit the
From
host
scratch.
file, but it should work. So, wait a sec. Can you see the VisualBox?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this should work. Wait, I will just edit the host file.
Exclude length.
Yeah, exactly. So I got the length because it displayed it here. You see this? 162.
Yeah, that's the different syntax than the GoBuster I have. Haha, that's I remember that. Yeah, GoBuster dir is not a thing for me.
Okay.
Whatever version
Yeah, then
this
you have
is.
a really old or like limited version.
Yeah, this is whatever is on the like latest. God, what version is this? It's pretty
I
much like
probably should
Ubuntu.
rerun this with the right. I will just rerun this for the real domain and not for the IP.
Any suggestions on wordless, Vice? Fuzzing or discovery? Fuzzing?
Oh, we have an API endpoint.
Whoa.
Oh. Right.
Oh, is this the wrong version too? Shit, fuck my life, you guys. I need to just use Kali. I should just
You could also like install it from source probably.
do proper Kali.
Boom. Okay. Nice, they just copied the old
Add /
link. It's
fuzz.
pretty cool. I really like the website.
Oh, you're doing the. Hey, oh, okay. So yeah, that's where you get the ignore length. Is there an option in
You
here
got
for
the
the
right
same
version
thing?
now, or should I just give you the output?
I'm just testing FF. I should learn multiple tools for this.
Yeah, okay.
Filter. And that FS excludes that size?
Oh.
Yep, nice.
I think wasn't there a challenge like for the old Hackerbox login? I think there was like a challenge to even get on the page or something. Not exactly sure.
Huh. Hall of Fame as of September 2017. That's fine.
Initial.
So there's a login, there was a register, I think.
Yeah, I think there was an initial challenge like for the login on HTTP.
Invite
For login.
404 0404? Keeping Kali up is gonna be slow. Thank you, Vice. I'm excited to learn new things. I'm gonna write this shit down before I forget. Notes.
Ah, okay. I think I got it now. Okay.
The only other one I saw they had was. So you hack an invite code?
Yeah, exactly, because there was like an old challenge on Hacktobox where you needed an invite code for even get into this. And I'm just looking up the solution for the old challenge. Ah, okay.
Curious if this is a
Maybe I
different.
should use CyberChef.
Interesting. That renders the same 404 page. Oh, 404.
Oh, okay. I think I have it. Oops. Probably used the wrong thing.
So, is it just the existence of the invite code?
What do you mean?
It's running this separate invite verify, and then it's setting it in local storage, and then sending you to register, which I think had a non-editable input for invite. Like, does it need to be a valid code, or does it just need to exist in local storage? I wonder.
I think it needs to be a valid code.
Yeah.
So
You
at
just-
least. Oh yeah, okay. API.
Let me in.
I did probably something wrong. Oh, we won. Okay. Okay, and now
I
this looks
can't
like basic
scroll.
64.
Oh, come on, guys.
You got the invite code?
Code isn't valid. No, I just tried to fake one. Because
Okay.
you can't edit it on register, but you can pre-fill it with local storage. So we have to brute force a code somehow.
No, you will need to solve the initial challenge for Hacktobox. I just solved it, but at least I mean, I got like the
Is it something on the
Solution.
homepage that I was missing?
yeah, it's in JS, and you need to decrypt something and then follow some path. If you want to, I can give you a post request. You just need to run this, right?
For
So like to get an valid invite code, you just need to run this command. I will just send it to you. Wait a sec.
oh, and how did you get to that? How did you get to discovering that? So I saw the API was one of the things.
I knew that. So on Hacktobox in the past, so like 1 or 2 years ago, to even access Hacktobox, we needed to solve like an invite challenge, so initial challenge. And if you want to solve this, I just looked up the solution, but it's like an JS element, and in this JS there's an encoded text, and you get like an API where you need to send a request to, and then just decode the
Interesting.
base64 string and you get a code. It's not that, I don't know, hard or something, but yeah.
I see. Yeah, I'm finding it now. Cool. It was one of the things I was already looking at. Oh, hey, dog. Hey. Hi. You're gonna mess up my green screen. Man. Watch out. Get out of here. Get in here. You want to hang out in here? My dog is interrupting. Come here. Come on. Lay down. Not right there. Don't lay on the thing. You're hopeless. Still working? Alright, good enough. I'm not sharing live here anymore, am I? Yeah, but I think I found what you're talking about. Yeah. It came from invite API min.js.
Yeah, exactly. And then you need to follow some steps, like first decode
It
to
won't
start,
actually.
then like access the API and so on. It's not that hard.
I'm just curious how you got that from this. I see API invite.
Yeah, there's a function in it called make invite, and then you can run from the console the function make invite, and then you get some encrypted text. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a really interesting way of obfuscating. Or, yeah, that's cool. I want to understand that a little bit better eventually. But you're saying you can just call that API as a post with no params of any kind?
Yeah, exactly. You just need to copy the command I sent to you.
I think I could figure it out. It was API v1 invite? No?
API v1
Generate?
invite generate,
Oh, hey.
but with post request. And then you need to decode the code, like it's just basic C4, so.
I guess I'll save this in both places. It's really just the invite code. Okay, right here. Okay.
Okay, I got a login now.
I wonder why it's extra slow right now. I turned off my VM.
I think I will just wait for you. You need some help or did you get it?
Oh, I think I got it.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. So yeah, that was just a really interesting obfuscated way of hiding all that. Make invite code. That's what we just found. Okay. Post. So weird. PHP serialization? No. Alright, whatever. Where are we? Okay. So now we've got a login and we're in. So this is... Their boxes are still like get in, find a user flag and a root flag? Or they differ sometimes? Like, should I look here?
Yeah, no, for Hackerbox, like the main boxes, if you're not on challenges, the goal is to get a root flag.
Is this like this is old Hackthebox UI? Is that what this is?
Yeah, exactly. That's the old Hackerbox UI. That's why there are, I knew that there is a challenge.
That's cool. So now that I'm in, there's a way to break into this somehow. Machines.
Probably. I didn't look into this before. I mean, I would probably look for this announcement, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, it looks like everything is a fake link. Oh, that was a real one. Where did that go? Challenges. That just opens that up. Those are all fake. Access. Everything else was... Where did that go? Access. Support. Change log. Rules. These are real. Okay. "2017. Probably in Access somewhere. Use your VPN generate. Use your VPN regenerate. Is a separate VPN connection part of this lab?
But that probably doesn't work.
I did generate. What about regenerate? They're both just GET requests.
Maybe we need to enumerate the API. So this would probably be the next thing I would go for. So like a normal tool to use would be WFuzz.
So those aren't the same. Yeah, this is still running FF. So this is where I would just do try a different one, or maybe a different list. Is there a better list for API enumerating or fuzzing? Probably.
Yeah, I think. Wait, I just need to look what I have.
API? Oh, there's an API folder in here. Actions, API endpoints. Sure. Whoa! Oh, I didn't get my filter size. Nothing on API endpoints. Ah, man, I'm so bad at the enumerating. I gotta practice these twos, scans. I'm curious though about what I downloaded from them here.
I think you could probably do ref small words or something. Would probably do the thing.
Sorry, do what?
You could do like a sec lists, discovery, ref small word as the word list.
Seclist, discovery, then what?
There are specific. In the folder you need to your word list folder you need to access sec lists, then discovery, and then ref small words. So this is a general word list for like you can also do this for web, but this is a word list I use
In
for
web content
very
under
fast.
discovery?
Yeah, discovery and then ref small words.
I don't know if I have that. Small words?
Raft, you need to like yeah, probably in web content. Yeah. And then raft small words. That's like
Rev?
R-A-F-T. and
Raft?
Small word.
Ah.
Yeah, raft small words.
Oh.
Maybe I did pronounce it wrong, but I don't know.
Let's try it. Well, I'm not sure this is as interesting for most people today. Getting less. It's alright. No, I'm excited to keep things slow. It was a little fun to have the raid for knobs like a couple weeks ago, but I'm not ready to be full-time streamer yet. Still need to figure out a lot of shit. Yeah, so I can download VPNs. They look like they're valid. Seems kind of weird to like double up another VPN for the lab though.
Yeah, that's probably a rabbit hole, I think. But I'm not sure.
Could just try it. I've been using helpers to run this for so long I don't even remember. Won't conflict with the other one. Yeah, it just is a restart loop trying to actually connect that VPN. Okay. FUB on the API, nothing. And all of these links were BS. Something in the changelog that points to a bug, maybe. Well, nothing on the API fuzz there. What else could we try? What was the other one that worked? Rules?
I'm actually a bit surprised that there's literally nothing on the API.
Well, I mean, maybe it's just trying different words or something.
Maybe.
Raft.
I mean,
never
obviously it's
used
trying
any of
different
these.
words, but I'm not sure why there's nothing. I would have thought that there's at least like a user or something.
Is it not API v1? I thought it was. Should I just get rid of
Well,
the
it is, I
v1?
think.
Yeah, found v1.
Maybe we should just try and access something to look like how an error page looks like.
Same
Oh, yeah,
one,
okay.
it's all the
We're
same
doing
one.
244. Maybe we should need to change the request type, like from get to post or something. This could work. I'm not sure.
God damn it. Hold on. Really? I'm having some technical difficulties here. It's gonna ruin my chroma key. Hi, dog. Get out of here. Oh. Can you stop? Hey, come here. What's wrong? Lay down. Lay down. Everything's breaking around me. Yeah, there's got to be a different way to do this.
I would think it's the request type, but I'm not sure. I would just do something like with curl. Just for testing.
Yeah, method get. How do you fuff more methods? Fuff API. Sure.
For posts I always get moved permanently.
You could try recursion, but we never found anything inside of V1. Yeah, we didn't even find invite or whatever the other one was.
Maybe just try like some. I think you did like this API generate. Did you like capture this in WebSuite recently?
Oh yeah. You mean from?
I mean, maybe we get something from there because I think
access.
something like this should use the API.
Web content API, MPI, endpoint. Yeah, I tried that one earlier, Weiss, but didn't get anything from it.
With WebSuite? Okay.
Yeah, and these were just a get to. All good. See ya, Dex.
But I just tried to send this access thing and I got an API. So I just used this access and intercepted with WebSuite. And I got API v1 user VPN regenerate.
Wait, what I just did?
I mean, I just wait. I can show my screen.
Oh yeah, I forget.
I just intercepted with WebSuite. Here. You can see that.
One sec. This is API user VPN. Okay. So we could
Yeah, so
we could
probably-
fub under API user VPN.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I would suspect that there needs to be something.
I'm curious. So VPN, that's download, generate, regenerate is the other one that we found, right?
Yeah, I think you should try on user, but I'm not sure.
What if I just...
Oh yeah, I got something. I got off.
Under user auth?
Yeah.
Let's get rid of the VPN layer here. Yep. As a GET? That's interesting.
Okay,
A
is
GET
admin.
user auth v
I don't
from
know.
an API is...
Maybe like from internally to
Oh,
check if
it's just
there's,
it's just a status. Okay.
looks like.
Is admin 0?
Then there's a login. Do we have any cookies or something? Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
PHP
I'm
SSID.
logged in with the session ID. And is admin 0, so we have to like spoof the is admin true somewhere.
Maybe. Register, yeah, okay, wow. So I will just suspect if there's an user, maybe there's an admin endpoint. Alright, I need to stop my web suite. Oh wow, there is admin off.
Oh,
interesting.
user and
So
admin is a
should-
separate thing?
Yeah, I just tried admin off because I thought if there's a user, there's probably an admin. I will just run a Derbus on this too. So like on the admin endpoint.
Curious, I didn't inspect the registration form very well. I made my name admin just as a joke, and I was seeing admin in here. I'm like, oh wait, no wait, that's my own doing. But if they don't sanitize that well, you could just like, is admin true there? That'd be silly. This is an easy one though, right? Or easier? I forget what level already. So
Yeah, it's probably
code.
easy, but most of the people wrote it medium, so it's probably easy to medium or something. Also on Hectorbox, easy always means like if it's easy on Hectorbox, then it's medium for Hackney.
Yeah, oh, fair. So if I try that exact same one again, it's redirecting me to their login page. So we don't need roughly any of that. Let's see if that happens. Oh. Really?
Did you find something?
Code isn't valid. Yeah, it's a one-time code. I just wanted to make sure that that was actually being validated. as expected. I was just curious if I do another fresh invite code. That other API, was that the user auth? Might as well is admin one. Didn't fail. Did not work though. Yeah, I've gotten too used to the gamified, like, try hack me King of the Hill stuff. It's like too easy. Alright, so logged in both sides have now kind of captured the register process, but you can't just say is admin
Oh
there.
wow, I'm so stupid.
What? Did you figure out something else?
If you just do API v1, you get a list of all API endpoints.
Are you kidding me? Like they actually have like a directory almost there?
Yes, exactly.
Not on mine.
Oh wow. There's also update user settings API endpoint.
Hey,
Oh wow, okay, wow, this is pretty easy.
Wait, where did you find that?
Just API v1. So just if you don't do a trading slash after v1, just API
Oh
v1.
my god. Everything's usually forcing the trailing slash these days. Ha. Ha. Awesome. Definitely need some hand holding here in this one apparently.
Yeah, this is so stupid.
Invite how to generate. Alright, let me get rid of this.
I mean,
Instructions
next thing to do
on
is probably
how we did the
just-
generate invite verify code. Generate. So yeah, we've already discovered pretty much all of these. Settings update is the only one that we haven't though,
Yeah, but it's also the interesting one.
right? As a put.
Move permanently.
Next one, please. Yeah, I mean, the only hint that I've found kind of so far was the is admin. I was thinking that we would try to turn that on somehow. Maybe you can force update your own. That is under the admin settings, so can we do that before we're admin?
Hmm?
I don't know if that would work pre-admin. Is there an edit? Is there like a view my profile?
Yeah, you just if you just do a post
No.
request, so at least I get embedded content type. So, yeah, I think it's pretty easy. I mean, the
You're trying to-
response is JSON, so it's probably JSON like in the request too.
You mean you're trying to do the settings update one?
Yes, exactly. Seems to be good.
was it again? I just had it. Settings. API AV1 admin settings. Update.
Okay, wow, this is so easy.
Shut up. You're making fun of me. Just kidding. PHP sesh ID. What? What am I missing?
What did you do? What did you... Oh wow, my English. What did you do?
I tried doing the settings update. Is admin 1, nothing happened. It's returning
did you-
successful,
did you-
but then
Yeah, you
it's
probably... I will do this in Burp Suite so you can see like the exact error message you get and...
well, there was no return from that at all. I mean, I don't. I need to install Burp Suite. I don't even have it.
Oh wow, you don't have Burp Suite?
Yeah, I don't use the tools that everyone else uses. That's why I need to learn them. I just keep building my own. Unauthorized to admin update. Okay. So I tried including my session
nice.
ID there, but that doesn't work.
So I'm an admin now.
Okay, so that I'm on the right track somehow.
Oh, wait, what? What did you... So... I mean... If you don't use... You probably need to... Wait a sec. I just need to look at your pod request.
Yeah, I'm gonna do live against in Discord. Hopefully, it won't crash my shit.
Where's your
I
so
tried
you
the
need
put
to-
request here.
You need a mail. Wait a sec. I will. Wait. Just share a screen and you can see what I did.
Is it? Am I underthinking this? Overthinking.
It's pretty easy
underthinking?
actually. I mean, it's just a bit bad to look at that in curl. Wait a sec.
It is for most people, but it makes way more sense to me than anything on Burp Suite.
You see that?
I can't handle fucking UIs.
So this is like the working
Oh, interesting. And the session
request. So I
ID
just
you took from something else, or is it you just let it generate a fake one?
no, the session ID is totally irrelevant.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm getting an unauthorized without, or even
I
with
mean,
it,
what
but
did
I
you
could
exactly
try.
do? So, wait, I will just copy this over.
Oh, but I said content type application JSON, and then I gave it not. Hold on.
Yeah, okay.
Shh. So it was email.
Email and is admin. You get this from error messages if you just try to post embedded JSON. Or, yeah. You got it now?
Well, see. Oh, it's because I have the wrong. Oh, God, I'm pretty off today. Yeah, so it does need. It does need some authorization, but not
It
the.
does not.
Well, I'm
Or
getting
you need to
unauthorized.
specify
So.
content length. Did you specify content length? Perhaps it does this automatically, but if you use curl, you probably need to do this manually.
Usually not a requirement, but I can.
Or you also need to be logged in as in your account.
Well, that's what I was saying. That's where the SSID comes from, right?
Yeah,
And that's so
obviously,
my
but
my
you
session
are logged
ID
in.
was logged in elsewhere.
Oh,
It's
okay.
all done through like all the headers and everything. Like doing it from the command line should be fine.
Yeah, exactly. You just need to yeah.
I could
So
just
if you're not
do
logged
it
in,
from here. Maybe we could just say.
you should the content length is 43.
Yeah, it should have been.
Okay.
There's a way to do the with there. God, I'm drawing so many blanks right now, man. I've been so all over the place with development. Like I don't even remember how to make API put call. There it is. Yeah, I mean, all I did was snag like an instance of one of these. So is this still working? Like I'm getting. Oh. Son of a bitch. I don't think content length is required.
Yeah, then just your SSID is probably wrong.
Still unauthorized. What was it again? Settings, update. Son of a bitch. Does it need to be a string? I don't even remember.
Oh wow, and now I have a remote code execution.
Nice. And the isAdmin you were trying to send is just the not like one. I guess it should work for both.
What do you mean? So I just got admin and then I hit another endpoint and then was command injection. Oh, you're still on this admin endpoint.
Yeah. I need to learn how to use burp. I'm curious if I could do it here.
I will get
Oh,
the
I
issue
didn't.
now.
I didn't do the. Invalid content type. So you were saying you were seeing some actual
Application
errors.
JSON is the right content type.
Mm-hmm.
So this was pretty simple because the response wasn't JSON.
All right. Yeah, I was just translating it wrong to my curl, I guess.
nice done.
So this message, admin auth true, and then user auth is admin 1. Okay, so now with admin, you got RCE somewhere in here? Want to give
Should
me
I
a hint?
give you a hint or?
Yeah, just a light hint.
Yeah.
light hint.
So look at the other admin endpoints.
Cool.
I mean the admin endpoints where you can do something, not like off.
Like API v1 admin post VPN generate, like generate admin VPN.
For example.
Yeah. The other ones raw user. Yeah. Okay. Admin settings update. Admin VPN generate. As a post, is it looking for a body? I guess we can give it nothing and see what happens.
Are you already on the endpoint? Or what are you doing?
I'm sharing in Discord now, right?
What? Oh, yeah, oh wait, just sharing Discord. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, I see.
So you could see more realistic. Okay,
Oh,
so
wow.
yeah, it does need. Maybe.
It doesn't need email. I would
Is
send a empty post request to find out which parameters it needs.
Fair. Yeah, it said wrong. Oh, I'm in the wrong thing here. Okay. This is a really weird way to do this. I need to learn how to use. Oh, is this returning the actual content, huh? What
I
is
think
it?
you
Text?
need. Yeah. You probably so you now need to think of array to exploit this.
Yeah, there we go.
Should I give another hint or is
I got
just
admin
this?
something generated, but yeah, now I'm not really sure
So-
what I would do with this.
You could do like a command injection on username.
Oh, I see, I see. So this is actually on their end running like like VPN generate or something. Interesting.
For example. So this would be a thing which could be. So that's why I tested it.
Can I get the whole fucking thing, please? Sure. Still not gonna give me the whole. Fuck me. This is such a stupid way to do it. Why am I doing this way? But you were saying like, yeah, maybe I could do.
Command injection, just try. Well, if you get an empty string, what does that mean?
That ls worked, but there was nothing there.
Yeah, you
Maybe?
now could do like no, this is a wrong assumption. You could also think, okay, I could try something like ID, and after that you would see there's still no output. But this doesn't mean that there's nothing executed because you didn't get the output you got before. So your assumption is you just don't get output, but the command is still run. And then you think, okay, if there's really something running in the background, so how could I get output? And in Bash, you can like comment out the rest of the string, so you could use like hashtag after ID and see if you then get output.
Interesting. Ha! I dig it. beautiful. Cool. Okay, so
So now you got your shell. I'm interested what you
yeah,
what
almost. Yeah, that's. Wow. Yeah, I'm so bad at this fresh enumeration. This is what I really got to do more of. I've been avoiding Hack the Box for a long time because I knew it was going to kick my ass the first time I tried it. Well, see if that works, huh? Nice. And are the flags always in the same place?
no. Oh, so it's like common for some boxes, or like most of the boxes, it's like in home, then some user, and then there's probably something like flag text or something. And in the root folder is most of the time the root flag.
Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, and they're shared, right?
What do you mean they are shared? What is shared?
Like people are already in this machine?
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Someone's looking at this CVE.
Oh wow, this is easy. So I just went in peace. It pretty much gave me the password.
Oh yeah, someone's already got Linpy's on here.
Yeah, this was probably me. Are you in the temp folder? This is where I dropped my LinPs.
I found it in home admin,
Okay.
even though I'm not. That's set for my environment?
Yeah, okay, now I'm admin. Nice, user flag.
Is this you here with the reverse base 64? Looks like there's a couple of those.
Just look for files in var.html. Don't look like for the exploit suggest or something, it's just not necessary.
Oh. I was trying to see if I could see what that guy was doing with cat user as. It's all www data though.
Yeah, just go down and look for interesting files. By the way, this is the command injection what you just saw with the echo.
Yeah, but it looked like it was, you could do it on not just the generate, but like the download too, maybe?
Probably. I don't
That's
know, I
kinda
just
cool.
checked this endpoint.
Kinda cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
so,
is this like the same as the database
mean-
password? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, but it's not just a database password, it's reused.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. There's a couple of tmuxes in temp.
You could just do su admin.
I know, but then I
Try
need to
the password.
stabilize. Damn it. And I always zoom in and out with different values here. Okay. Oops, I fucked that up in the wrong order. Alright, shit. Actually, that's probably all I need, right? I don't need a fully stabilized shell.
You can just do /I, then you have like a minimalized shell.
Oh, I did the wrong one. Damn it! Nah, not stabilized. Oh, man. \-I by itself.
I mean, this works too.
Yeah, no, I did sudo admin. I'm just too used to actually being
Not sure if this works
sudo
actually.
everywhere. Oh, hey, I got my first Hack the Box flag. Now, where does it go? Submit flag.
So now you need to give the machine ranking.
Ah. Interesting. That's cool. So they force everyone to give it that, so that gives a good indication of the difficulty across people doing it. That makes sense.
Yes, exactly.
And I do, it's just generic submit flag, and it knows which one's which. Okay.
Yes.
Linpeas as admin. Alright, well, at least I can get
Yeah, okay.
my first box ever done on Hack the Box.
Now you can look at the temp folder. I think there was a Privask
The Tmux
thing.
was one of those.
Yeah, I think it's pretty stupid. I just looked at the mail of admin. Yeah. And it said overlay FS, and the exploit which was in temp also uses overlay FS, so I think this could be the solution.
Yeah, there was some other CVE like folder downloaded in the admin. I wonder if that was from somebody else. Oh man, I got a handful of these that are now stuck from my pre-stable. What is this CVE?
Oh yeah, I'm root, okay.
Did you use this one?
Yeah, I just used the
Overlay FS, yeah.
CE, which was already in the temp folder. Not sure what you're doing right now, but
Yeah, I'm just curious what this 2023 overlay is. Like, that's
yeah, this is
the more
exactly
recent
the
one.
solution. Just go to temp
There's
folder,
temp.
go to the Privask. Or is it gone?
You mean in the home folder?
No, in the temp folder.
In the home folder is where this is.
I mean, it's the same vulnerability, so probably this works too, but
Are we
one-
seeing a different temp folder? This is all I see
Maybe.
in temp.
in which user are you?
Admin.
Yeah, then I mean I should have got the same folder as you. Not sure why I get a different one. You can't see the previous folder? It's owned by admin.
I see a Tmux. The only thing in temp owned by admin is Tmux.
Right. I don't know. This is random.
Yeah, maybe we're not on the
So
same
for me
machine.
there's a previous folder. Wait, I can just move the previous folder to your folder.
I'm gonna
this
try
folder.
this.
Okay, now you can list your again. You probably now have the previous folder. Oh, looks like it's the same folder, so doesn't make any difference, I think.
2 terminals in the home.
Yeah, exactly.
So you do 2 different windows here.
Yeah, just go to previous folder. Yeah, simple.
Shit. So this runs, yeah, this runs permanently, and then.
Oh yeah, you are root. Nice. So now you can just go to root folder and yeah.
Well, it's also in the home folder. Interestingly enough, I wonder what's in the root folder. There's a
It's
root
probably because
txt.
someone mounted it or something.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Because the exploit is mounting.
Huh. Alright, well, first hack the box. Finally done. Well, so you
Yeah,
rate
but
the machine.
box was quite easy.
You rate the machine twice? Like you rate each flag as how hard it is, or?
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
It's
I
not
don't like the
machine.
sound effects. Fuck that shit. It scared the hell out of me. Okay.
How did you like the machine?
That was the
I
first.
thought it was pretty easy, but
Yeah, no, that was great. I need more experience of that type of stuff, man. Yeah. You got too easy on the Triacme ones. Cool. Well, what else could we do? What time is it? Oh my god, it's almost 4 already? Shit, I have to go. Well, that was a good self-encapsulated stream, about 2 hours. Yeah, I gotta go I got family visiting, a bunch of other fun stuff. Sick dogs going to the vet. Hi, buddy. It's been a stressful few weeks. But, Terminator, thanks as always for your help getting me through this.
sure.
The sound effects are most annoying. Yeah. God, I know. I had to turn them off when I tried the Battleground stuff. Like, it's cool. They got a really fancy site. It's just, the fancier it is, the harder it is for me to understand and more annoying in a way. Sweet. Well, that was my Hack the Box cherry. I got points. Where does it show my points? 0 points? I don't get any. Oh, is it retired? I don't get any points for retired boxes. Fuck. Oh, okay. Well, I did a box. But I guess I shouldn't do real boxes on stream anyway. Yeah. So still learning, figuring this shit out. I want to do some building and stuff too soon. Like I want to go into configuring servers or building other boxes or some apps. I don't know, so much things that I want to look at. My Koth Guru app, I have all the API like ready to build like a single page, like a user profile single, kind of. But I just haven't done that yet. That would be fun. Like all the different stats that we have on here. What else do I want to build? Oh, I made updates to my fake F11 console the other day. I realized it didn't really handle the file system. It's all bullshit, but it kind of pretends to work now. Anyway, I'll keep thinking of ideas of other things to do, but yeah, that was a fun one today. Short and sweet. Maybe if I have time, I'll stream again. I have a long weekend this weekend, actually, so try to do it again. But thanks all for coming to hang out. Continue learning, and yeah, I'll get better at Hack the Box eventually. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.